In today's council, I would like to use this opportunity to address one of the more pressing issues, or most pressing issues for my country and actually for the Europe, is the migration flows that are being forced on Europe by Lukashenko. Even though the situation was or seems under control, but the flows are actually not diminishing. We are trying to find the ways how to stop them. And today's question for my colleagues here at around the table would be, so what tools do countries like Lithuania, Latvia, or Poland need to use or can use in order to stop the weaponized migration that is being forced on the European Union? Because currently we're very much lacking the instruments, and I think that we're a little bit dragging our feet in order to fight this new phenomenon of hybrid weaponized migration. Too bad that Lukashenko and his regime are not stepping down with the efforts to bring more people to European border. They are employing new flights from a number of countries in the Middle East and Northern Africa in order to bring people, deceived people, with the hopes of easy entry to the European Union, to the capital of Minsk, and then to the Lithuanian, Latvian, and Polish border. So this is one of the most pressing issues for my country. This is one of the most pressing issues for the European Union, and we need answers now. Thank you. Well, first of all, I think that one of the measures that we really need to find is how do we stop the flights to Minsk. European Union did take some steps that were proved to be quite useful, stopping the flights from Iraq and stopping the flights from Jordan and Lebanon. But there are a number of new flights that are being opened up to fly to Minsk. And I think that first of all, we need to solve this, we need to find a solution, how do we stop this in Belarus? Because if we try to solve the migration problems in Lithuania, in Latvia and Poland, and doesn't solve the problem, then it will be just a continuous flow. If we solve it in Belarus, basically it helps us, at least it provides us hope that there is a possibility to have it in a more controlled fashion.
Why does the European Union seem so slow in dealing with the issues created by Lukashenko?
I think that it's we lack understanding of the priority of this issue. I think that what we're seeing is a possible repeat of the events in 2015. Now it's a different situation, but the political implications and the political pressure on the European Union is quite similar. So we often get distracted by new issues, and today's agenda shows that, that we try to cover a lot of geography during one meeting, but I think that we need to set up the priorities straight. That those issues that bring the most pressure for European Union, it needs to be solved immediately.
So are you in favor of new sanctions against Belarus?
Yes, indeed. I think that, well, we have to separate into two things. One thing is sanctions to Lukashenko for weaponizing migration, for deceiving people and bringing them to European border and putting all this pressure. Second thing is we need to find ways how to stop the flights to Belarus, to Minsk airport. And sanctions to Belavia, that's one thing. Another thing is that we need to send a message to airlines that actually are now bringing people from any other country to Belarus and bringing in people with the intention to migrate, that they are on the European radar, that we are seeing them, and it is not okay what they're doing. And we need to talk about with the colleagues, and this is would be one of my questions to my colleagues around the table. So what concrete actions can we take? Because we know the airlines that are taking people in. We know which capitals they are coming from. So it is a matter of discussion and then a decision. What can we do in order to stop it? Thank you.